Hi there, students. Jurisdiction. It's another one of these judge words. Judgment, jurisdiction. This is a legal phrase. Okay, jurisdiction is a noun. Can be both countable and uncountable. Let's see. Legally, jurisdiction talks about the right or the power or the authority to apply the law. Yeah. So this a court has the right to hear a particular case, or maybe a court doesn't have jurisdiction. So, for example, these islands are under the jurisdiction of British law. Okay, so very often when they write a contract, part of the contract will say the jurisdiction where this contract applies. So if there are legal problems, then this will be under the jurisdiction of American courts, under the jurisdiction of French courts, under the jurisdiction of British courts. Okay, so jurisdiction is the authority to make official decisions and judgments. But that's just from a legal point of view. Let's see. Jurisdiction. You don't have the power to do something. So this decision is beyond my jurisdiction, and I will have to get my boss to approve it. It's beyond my job description. I don't have the authority to do this. Yeah? This matter is beyond the jurisdiction of the school. It's not something that the school has the power or has the right or should intervene about. Okay, so the jurisdiction, the power to decide. Yeah, the power to decide something. Yeah, this is beyond my jurisdiction. It's beyond my scope. It's out of my jurisdiction. And then a jurisdiction as well, a system of law. Yeah, so under the jurisdiction of Greek law, for example, under the jurisdiction of Sharia law. Yeah, and then a jurisdiction, the territory or the land where something applies, or the sphere of influence. Okay, so something is beyond somebody's jurisdiction. It's not their place to decide. Yeah, they have no jurisdiction about offences committed in other countries. Yeah, so jurisdiction is the use or the scope or the extent of the power you have. Yeah, so I have no jurisdiction in this matter. I can't decide. Who has jurisdiction in this? Okay, so effectively this is talking about hierarchies and who has the power to make a decision, because normally in companies or hierarchies, the higher you are, the greater jurisdiction you have. The lower you are, the less jurisdiction you have. Okay, so jurisdiction. So let's see, formality. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I would probably say informally scope or power. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, jurisdictio. Juris, the law, of the law, and dico, I say. So effectively, jurisdiction, to say the law. Yeah, and this, or in this case, to interpret the law and to give the punishment. Okay, so the jurisdiction, the power or authority to act, particularly for a court. Yeah, so in legal cases, some things are within the jurisdiction of a case and other things are outside it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Jurisdiction.